Ever dreamed of owning your own slice of the ocean at home? In the next few minutes, I'll take you, step by step, through everything a beginner needs to set up a stable, beautiful marine fish aquarium, from choosing the tank and mixing salt water, to cycling, stocking, and maintaining it. Let's dive in. Picking the right tank. Start with the right size. For beginners, a 75 to 200 liter tank, roughly 20 to 55 gallons, is the sweet spot. More water means more stability and fewer sudden parameter swings. Place the tank on a sturdy stand, away from direct sunlight and high traffic areas, and close to power outlets and a water source. Glass tanks are cheaper and scratch resistant. Acrylic tanks are lighter and clearer, but scratch more easily. Choose what fits your budget and comfort. Essential equipment. Here's what you need to run a healthy saltwater system: a quality filter or sump, a protein skimmer to strip out dissolved organics, a dependable heater to keep temperatures around 25 to 26 degrees Celsius, and a reef-safe LED light if you plan to keep corals. Add wave makers or power heads for strong, turbulent flow. Marine organisms love oxygen-rich, moving water. Finally, use a surge-protected power strip and label every plug. You'll thank yourself later. Mixing salt water correctly. Use RO/DI water or store-bought purified water. Add a reputable marine salt mix according to the manufacturer's instructions. Let it mix with a power head and heat for at least 24 hours. Measure salinity with a refractometer or a high-quality hydrometer, aiming for 1.024 to 1.026 specific gravity. Getting this right from day one prevents stress and disease in your fish and invertebrates. Substrate and live rock, rinse aragonite sand and place it as your substrate. It helps buffer pH and keeps your chemistry stable. Add 1 to 2 pounds of live rock per gallon. Live rock is your biological filter, home to beneficial bacteria that process waste. Aquascape your rockwork before filling the tank completely, making caves, arches, and stable ledges for fish to hide and corals to sit on. Think about flow and future maintenance. If you can't reach it, you can't clean it. Cycling the tank. Now be patient. Your tank needs to cycle, which typically takes 4 to 6 weeks. You can kickstart the process with bottled bacteria or a raw shrimp, but always test regularly. You're tracking 3 things: ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate. First, ammonia spikes, then drops as nitrite rises, and finally nitrate builds up. When ammonia and nitrite are consistently at 0 and nitrate is present but manageable, you're cycled. Beginner-friendly livestock stock slowly. Add 1 fish at a time, giving your filtration and bacteria time to catch up. Hardy beginner choices include clownfish, firefish, gobies, and some damselfish, though damsels can be territorial. Avoid delicate species and aggressive predators early on. Quarantine new fish whenever possible to prevent introducing parasites. Feed lightly, observe behavior, and don't chase instant reef perfection. Stability beats speed. Routine maintenance. Create a weekly routine. Test salinity, temperature, and key parameters like ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, and pH. Perform 10 to 15% water changes every week or 2 to export nutrients and replenish trace elements. Clean the glass, change or rinse mechanical filter media, and empty your protein skimmer cup. Top off evaporated water with fresh RO/D, water only, never with salt water, or your salinity will creep up. Pro tips and wrap up. A few pro tips: keep a logbook of test results and changes. Invest in quality test kits. Don't overfeed. Nutrient control is everything in saltwater tanks. And most importantly, go slow. A marine aquarium rewards patience more than anything else. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. I'm happy to help you build your own slice of the reef. Happy reefing.